Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Leah Wamboy. In case the first time you're seeing this natural beautiful mamacita, kindly subscribe, click that red button, and also remember to click the post notification bell so that every time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. So guys, this is a weekly video of course that I'm doing, and this is me 1 week postpartum. Yes, our baby is here with us and I'm so happy. I'm super excited. The journey is amazing, learning a lot. Of course, he's my teacher, he's my lecturer. He's teaching me a lot. Every day things change. When you think you have already grasped how to deal with him, he just shows me another whole side that sometimes I barely understand. But yes, I'm super excited. Today marks 1 week with the baby, and yes, imeanguka. I was so happy, though I don't know how I was feeling, because I felt like the only thing that we had that connected us physically is now off. Feels like he's a little bit gaining his little independence. Yes, so so today I received some packages that I had ordered from Jumia, and also I've been looking for some dresses that I am supposed to be putting on during this period of time, because Sanava Madera. So I got some backless deras and a certain dress. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you guys the dress, and I'm also going to show you what I got over here from Jumia. Yeah, so stick around, don't go anywhere, okay? So guys, this is me 1 week. Still feels like baby is my tummy, but no, he's outside. So yeah, this is us. We're doing pretty well. That's my hubby back there. We can see your biceps. So yes, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. These are the products that I've gotten from Jumia, these ones, and I think I'm going to open them tomorrow. I've also gotten these pretty dresses from I'm going to attach their name while I'm editing this video, because I can't really get to remember the name. But yeah, it was on TikTok, and the good thing is that it was payment on delivery. So they sent several dresses, and I was able to choose the dresses that would definitely work for me, and that was a plus for me. So they sent their rider with several dresses. I chose the ones that I wanted, and yes, here we are. At the moment we are having dinner. By the way, let me show you. This is what we are having. Okay, we are having some rice and coconut breast chicken. I'm also having some drinking chocolate and some water as well. Yes guys, I'll see you tomorrow when I'm unboxing whatever we got as I try them on. Okay, yes, see you guys. So yeah, by the way, I've just remembered something. At the moment, it's at the reason why I'm actually leaving you so fast and I can't be able to open these packages. It's at 21:37. So we have this schedule that we have to shower our baby at around 10:30, 11. That means at the moment he's sleeping, I'll have to wake him up in the next 20 minutes. Okay, so that I can breastfeed him, because of course akishaoga he's just going to kuzima. So that's why I don't think I'm able to open the packages. But yes, motherhood is sweet. It's nice. Sometimes it's overwhelming, but yeah, we were born ready, right? So hi guys, how are you doing? This is the following day, which is on today is on Friday. And as I had told you earlier, I'm going to unbox the things that I got yesterday from Jumia, and also some dresses that I got from a lady on TikTok. The reason why I got these dresses is because, of course, I'm in my postpartum and I need some clothes to put on that are comfortable and breastfeeding friendly. Okay, since I'm a mommy, I need to act like one. So I got these 3 dresses. Let me show you the dresses. They are so pretty. I got 2 backless deras and 1 dress. So this is the first backless dera that I got. This is how it looks, the color. And we also got this one. Just look at this, guys. Now the most funny thing, hata siku anajua kuzivaa. She had to video call me. Oh my god. And then we have this. This lady actually trapped me in a way. I had just ordered backless deras, and guess what? She also put this one. She sent her rider so that I can check on the dresses and choose, then pay on delivery. This dress is cute. Just look at this. It's cute and it's a maxi dress. It's breastfeeding friendly. I love this dress. This was a very big trap actually, because it's quite expensive, because the backless deras were going for 1,300. This dress ilikuwa na go for 3,000. Imagine. Hapo ni venye alinini aliona lazima tu nitaichukua. Anyway, away from that, I got a package from Jumia. I have controls on my head, and I got this hat ndio nikuwe navaa nikienda, maybe if I'm going for my clinics or something, before I gain the energy. I regain the energy ya kuwa able to sit down and at least endure the time ya kusongwa nywele, since I underwent CS. Then I have to like ni relax, nisikae chini sana, nisisimame sana, like if you know you know. So I had to get something to like compliment me. So this is how it looks. Let me show you. This is how it looks. So nikivaa, I just put it on like this. Can you tell me how it looks, by the way? Karembo, but akajaja. I wish it was fuller, like it were full. But anyway, this is something I can work with in the meantime. And then, since I've been wanting to start baking from home, I wanted to start using my air fryer today, so I had to get some baking tins from Jumia. Naweza kupika kina queen cakes, do what. So I got these containers. Yeah, look at this. Queen cakes. Yeah. And then we have this set of, I think, love hearts. Na ni kubwa. Sisi kama itatoshea kwa air fryer. I hope so. We have the love, the round na hii ingine. These are also baking tins that I'm going to be using. I usually make a lot of chicken, and I also like marinate nyamas a lot, maybe pork, chicken, nini. So I got gloves. Let me show you. I got 100 packets of the black gloves. Easy. Okay, so yeah, it has the black ones, the kitchen and medical. Okay, I will be using them to cook. Okay, to cook. Yes, and I think that's pretty much it. The person behind my camera is none other than my cousin, who came to check up on her nephew. Okay, she's the one behind the camera and she's doing a great job. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Consistency for it. Of course, no. Anything else? What are we supposed to do?
We preheat the oven.
For how many minutes?
10.
For 10 minutes?
Yes, at 375 degrees.
375, no?
375 F. That is
175.
1A.
Hey, hata ifikani nini, nafikani 180 bwana, 200.
375 F.